Welcome to our channel. If you want to use wireless Android Auto in your vehicle, follow these step-by-step instructions to set it up. Step 1. Verify that your car supports wireless Android Auto. Not all Android Auto compatible vehicles support wireless connectivity, so check your manual. Step 2. Make sure your phone is running Android 11.0 or later for wireless Android Auto support. Step 3. Ensure the Android Auto app is installed and updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. Step 4. On your phone, go to Settings and turn on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Step 5. Start your car and turn on the infotainment system. Step 6. On your car's display, navigate to the Android Auto or wireless projection settings. Step 7. Enable wireless Android Auto in your car's system settings. Step 8. On your phone, open Settings, then tap Connected Devices. Step 9. Tap Connection Preferences, and then select Android Auto. Step 10. Your phone will search for available cars. When your car appears, tap on it to start pairing. Step 11. Follow any additional pairing instructions that appear on both your phone and car's display. Step 12. Once paired, your phone will automatically connect to Android Auto wirelessly when you start your car. Step 13. If you experience connection issues, try forgetting the car in your phone's Bluetooth settings and going through the wireless setup process again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.